Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and super simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a Glam mirror Christmas ornament centerpiece. And so what you'll need is you'll need one of these nickel trays from Dollar Tree. You're going to need one of these clear bud vases, and I picked this up at Dollar Tree as well. I've got some of these peel and stick gemstones, and I got these at Walmart, but you can pick these up on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. And then I've got just a bunch of different ornaments here, and you can use whatever color you like. I'm using silver for mine. And then I also have some picks here. These are just leftover picks and ornaments that I've had. And, I picked them up at Dollar Tree, but I've had them for a couple of years now. And I have a mirror here. And this is I have a square one, but you can use whatever shape you have on hand. They come in, Dollar Tree carries these in the square, round, and then the octagonal as well, which I have some of each of these shapes. And then I've got this little silver, and I'm thinking this is probably considered a candy dish. And I picked this up at Dollar Tree as well. Now I've got some loose gemstones here, and I may or may not be using them. These are from Walmart. I've got some hot glue, and I also have some tacky glue, but you can also use Mod Podge if you don't have this tacky glue. I've got a candle from Dollar Tree, a brush, and then I have some silver glitter, which I may or may not be using. But anyway, these are the items that we'll need to complete the project, so let's get started. How beautiful is this, you guys? Super simple and really beautiful. Now let's start decorating with it. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.